What are you excited about? What are you excited about? Huh? What are you excited about? Miko? What about you, Mrs. Girl? Mrs. Girl wants to? She wants to come out. You got Sadie? And Sadie on a t-shirt. Alright, puppies.
Puppies are gonna get to run around and play.
One of the things we get to do when all the campers are gone and we're at this beautiful camp all by ourselves, 124 acres, is let the dogs loose.
Go free!
This one's the runner. He's gonna go crazy unless he's fighting this bug over here.
Freedom!
Come on. Miko. Another advantage for the puppies of work camp.
What you doing?
You want a stick? What you thinking? A little bit of exercise, you're tired. So, work camp. Hey, Mrs. Corey. We are actually going to try to set up this TV for the first time.
Yeah, I've never set it up outside, never used it outside.
But why not?
Had it for a year.
Yeah, or longer.
About a year.
So,
A little over a year.
it slides. Just so y'all see on the LG M Max. Has this little nifty thing. And this is the second TV. So we have two TVs inside the rig. This one comes up the center console, and we don't ever use it in there. But it slides in here, and then you have your power cord. That's your HDMI. So your HDMI input and antenna input is over here. Boom. Now, we don't have the cable plugged in, but just to see if the TV turns on.
If you turn the channel to, regular TV, it should work.
I just turned it off.
Go get the remote.
This way, the input. So, we got the TV somewhat working. That speaker is playing the audio. This speaker is not playing the audio. We learned you have to put it on PC, correct? So what we do, we have it plugged into this one. You can see the volume, see? That is the TV doing that. No one's touching.
Nope. Not touching it.
We're trying to watch Forrest Gump and look at it. Volume's going all the way up. We have the HDMI plugged into the trailer, into the TV, and then in this we have it set. You just put your disc in, click disc, and then on the TV choose PC. And when you do that, you get TV with the speakers on the outside. First time doing this and living in this thing for a year. Trying to watch TV outside, trying to watch a movie. So, I guess we should have done this a long time ago, but put the TV on PC, plug it in HDMI. This speaker's been giving us problems, but you can hear it going right now.
You never know what you're gonna get.
So we got the TV working. Those are our buddies, Two Dove Nation. And YouTube acted up. But we haven't been able to get it in these speakers because we just don't have the HDMI connected up. But another benefit of the little guy Max, outside TV in 80-degree weather.
That's what we're doing. When the window on the door. This is it.
And I'm Amanda.
Together, we are Two Dove Nation.
Yes, sir.
Today,